Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to Program Evaluation and 2019. My name is Gail Sigalakis. I'll be your instructor this spring semester. I'm really looking forward to working with you through program evaluation and helping you to create and go through the whole process of what it looks like to do an evaluation report. So I'm hoping that you can find something that interests you and also that you work with on a regular basis so that you can make it relatable for you and what it is you're doing currently. So I was going to go ahead and just walk you through an introduction to the course, what some of the expectations are, let you know I'm here and I'm a real person, and you can email me anytime you want. I'll check my email, and I'm also fond of phone conferences. If there's something that you want to discuss about the course, then we can set those up as well. Okay, so I'm just going to switch over and do a quick walkthrough of the course expectations. So I'm going to give you, like I said, a brief overview of what we'll be doing in this course. Make sure you check out the course syllabus online and look at all the dates and everything that will be coming up as we go. You can see this course is going to provide you with a theoretical and practical methodologies relevant to effective program evaluation and assessment of school curriculum and instruction at the national, state, and local levels. It's designed for graduate students who have assumed or will assume professional responsibilities as teachers, curriculum developers, or school leaders, which some of you probably are already, in institutions associated with pre-K through 12th grade education. There are 8 course objectives we'll be working through and that you're expected to achieve by the end. The whole course is divided into 5 learning units. You'll see those as the modules in Canvas. Each unit has 3 sessions. Specific objectives are identified for each learning unit and session, and the session and unit objectives are all aligned with these particular 8 course objectives. Here's a nice quick summary of the assessments for the course. As you can see, there are lots of opportunities for you to practice the knowledge and skills on program evaluation that you'll learn in this course through various forms of assignments and assessments. One of the key assignments and critical assignment for this course is to develop an original evaluation plan to evaluation program that you choose. So this is where I mentioned pick something that is relevant to you and that you use on a regular basis. In this assignment, you're going to be demonstrating the capacity to design and plan an original program evaluation that directly relates to teaching and learning. You won't actually be going through the evaluation process, but you'll be creating the plan for that. We'll treat this evaluation design assignment as a big project throughout the whole course, and everything kind of builds up and adds to that. To be successful in online learning, it's very important that you keep active participation in the discussions with your classmates on Blackboard and complete all of the self-assessment quizzes. You'll notice in the discussion boards that I always ask for the first due date part of the discussion is to post your initial response on Thursdays and then have your follow-up response to peers in the class done by that Sunday night, by midnight. As mentioned in the previous slide, there are 5 learning units in this course, and each unit has 3 sessions that require different readings, PowerPoints that I voiced over, assignments. These lectures and readings and discussions and assignments are designed to help you achieve objectives for each session and unit. Please manage to complete all of the assignments, listen to the lectures, read the required textbooks and supplemental readings, and participate in discussions and group projects. There are 2 key textbooks that you'll see for this course. One is also a suggested textbook. The Program Evaluation textbook by Fitzpatrick, Sanders, and Worthen is considered as one of the more comprehensive and widely used textbooks for program evaluation. And since it is so comprehensive and covers all the details about program evaluation, you're not expected to go through it in great detail. We might have more detailed discussions on some chapters than others. The Textbook of Evaluating School Programs by Sanders and Sullins is truly a guidebook or cookbook for evaluating educational programs. It's easy to read and understand. It should be a very helpful book to guide you in planning your own project. The suggested textbook, Evaluating Online Learning, is an evaluation report that summarizes the challenges and strategies of evaluating 7 online learning programs nationwide. By reading this report, you can learn about program evaluation through various examples in real-world settings, which can be very helpful. And that covers the brief outline of the course for the semester. So I look forward to working with you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the first module, and you guys can get started.